Hi, nice to meet you again. This is Silent from Mastek. As the market is developing, users got higher demands for wood cutting blades, but your product remains standstill and losing the competence. Come on, it's time to make some changes. Why don't you try our new blades? The steel core is fully formed by laser cast. It is stronger and higher precision than normal steel, giving very stable and less vibration cuts from beginning to the end. Most cheaper blades only use recycled carbide tips, which is the main reason the cutting sharpness and durability won't stay long. But we adopt imported tungsten carbide tips so the blade can stay sharper and extend its lifespan than most cheaper brands in the market. High silver content brazing will cause less damage to the tips, guaranteeing a longer lifespan. 100% automatic brazing and grinding makes the blade capable of cutting all kinds of natural wood and artificial plywood, laminates, and melamine, etc. Anti-kickback design maximally protects users from injuries by fitting wood too quickly. Most importantly, with its premium quality portfolio design, the blade comes with a surprisingly nice price. Will make your brand more competitive. We have the full range of specifications from 4-inch to 16-inch available. Want to know more details? Feel free to send me a message. We are a manufacturer for diamond tools and T.C.T blades with over 10-year experience. If you have any other needs, you always know where to find me.